If you ask someone to present last 4-year quarterly reports of XYZ company and he is going to present you data in this form, isn't it boring and is even difficult to compare? Now someone else present you the data in the form of charts. So what do you think? Which is the better way to present numerical data? Well, it's very easy to understand and very easy to compare with the charts. Hello, I'm Monica and in this video we are going to talk about charts in PowerPoint. This is the best way to visualize your data. Column charts allow easy comparisons among number of items. Line charts are used to show trends or change in values across time. Pie charts can be used to show percentage of the whole and represent percentages at a set point in time. And bar chart is basically a column chart which is plotted horizontally. There are a lot variety of charts in PowerPoint and we are going to talk about these four basic charts. First of all, click on Insert, Chart, and here in the column chart we have varieties of chart patterns available and I'm selecting this 3D clustered column chart. Click on OK. Now an Excel sheet is in front of us. We can edit it just by clicking and giving it the number. Here we can name the category and series number as well. As you are altering the number, you can see the changes in the chart. We can also copy Excel sheet just by selecting it, press Ctrl plus C and again select it here and press Ctrl plus V. Here you can see an easy representation of the charts. Instead of using this Excel sheet, you can represent your data in the form of charts, which is very easy to compare. Here we have variety of options available in chart design. For the design, we want to select for our chart. Here we have lots of options. Now we can also change the color. As you can see, we can change its color as we want. We have lots of options available here. You can change the color of the chart as you want. Again, in the upper side, you can see a column Edit Data. When you click over there, Excel sheet again is in front of us and we can edit it as we want. In the right side, we have three options. In the plus, when we go there, we have chart elements. That which chart element we want and which we don't want. We can select or deselect from here. Different types of elements are there. Even we can see the data table or we don't want. Again, in the second option, we can see the style which we have seen in the upper side. The same things are shown here again. We can select our style which we want for our chart. Here's the second column also for color. We can click over here and we can change the color as we want. We have seen this option in the upper side also. Again, the third option, that is values which we want to highlight and which we want to show. We can select and deselect it from here. So variety of options are available for charts. This is the simple chart, simple column chart actually. We can also change the chart type. In the chart design, we have the option to change chart type. Change chart, click over there and we can see we have lots of options. Here I'm selecting another option and I'm clicking. Our chart will show to us like this. So I'm pressing Ctrl plus Z because I want this pattern only. Now click on animation, add animation and here I'm selecting wipe. Our chart will appear in this way. Effect option, And here I'm selecting by element in category. So our chart will appear like this. Animation is a good way to present chart in front of your audience. Now this is all about column charts. Now right click here on the left side of the slides, click on new slide. Here I am going to talk about second type of chart. Click on insert chart and here I am selecting line charts. Here you can see we have lots of options in line chart also. Here we are going to select a line chart and now we can see the Excel sheet are in front of us. We can change the values as we have done in the column chart also. And here again I'm going to write and change the values as first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter. I'm going to categorize it. Now I'm going to change the values of series, that is I'm going to write the years here 2019, 20 and 2021. And we can change values as we want here and you can change the chart is altering as we are going to alter the values in the Excel sheet. So it is very easy to include chart in your presentation. Now we can change the style as we want. These options are available. Here we can change the color of the lines that we want. These options are also available on the upper side of the slide. When we click on chart design, we can see these options are also available here. We can change color from here. We can edit data from here. It will open an Excel sheet and we can change chart type. These are the options. Now click on animation, click on add animation. Here I am selecting wipe as an animation. Click on effect option. Here I am selecting from left, it will come from left and again by series. So it will come one by one. Now click on animation pane. Here our chart animation is there and I am going to increase the duration. So line will come automatically one by one. So it will shown to us like this. Line charts are useful to us when we want to show trends. So this is all about line chart. Again, right click on the left side and I'm selecting the third chart, that is pie chart. Click over there. Here we have different varieties of pie chart pattern as we can see one by one. But here we are going to select this one and click on OK. Now here we can see an Excel sheet is in front of us. Pie chart is usually show percentages of whole and represent percentages at a set point of time. So here we can see 4 quarter results are there. Click on chart design. Here we have lots of chart designs available for our pie chart. These options are common in column charts as well as line chart or in every chart. Here the same styles are shown which we have seen on the upper side of our chart design. Again we have options of values which we want to highlight or which we want to show. Now click on animation. Click on add animation. Here I am selecting animation wheel. It will appear in front of like this. Click on effect option and we are selecting here by category. So it will come in front of us like this. Step by step results of quarters. In the animation pane, click on the arrow, select the first animation and decrease the duration of it to minimum 2.1 seconds. As we don't want sales and first quarter, second quarter will take time to come in front of us. So our pie chart will be presented like this. Okay, now click on the chart design, click on change chart type. Here I am going to change it. Click on the pie itself and I am going to change its look. Click over OK and click on play selected. Here you can see the same animation will follow and our pie chart is presented in front of our audience like this. It is a good way to use basic animations so that our presentation will look more attractive. Now on the left slide, right click, click on new slide. Click on insert chart and here I am selecting the fourth chart, that is bar chart. Click over there. We can see lots of options are there and we are going to select this one. Click on OK. Now again you can see an Excel sheet is in front of us. It is the values that bar chart is showing. So I am going to copy my previous Excel sheet and paste it there. Now you can see the chart is showing the values which we have in our Excel sheet. Now again in the chart design, change chart type and here we can change the chart type as we want. Now in the upper side you can see lots of options are there to change the style of the chart we want. These options again can also be seen here. Here we have seen the style category in which the same options are there. And the color category, we can change the color as we want. The same option is seen on the upper side in chart design. We can edit data by just clicking on edit data. It will open an Excel sheet. Now click on animation, add animation. Here I am selecting wipe. Now click on effect option. Click on from left. Again effect option, click on by element in category. So it will come one by one in front of us. Bar chart is basically a column chart which is plotted horizontally. So these are the four basic charts which we have just talked about. Now I am going to open a new slide, click on insert chart. We have area chart, XY scatter chart, map, stock, surface, radar, tree map, and lots of charts are available. But the four basic charts we generally used, we have already talked about. So I'm going to end the video here. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much.